The violin has been around for over 500 years. Classical composers in the 1500s would be amazed to see how violins are played across all kinds of genres today, from rock to disco to folk. The violin may be a centuries-long tradition, but it's also a versatile instrument that brightens any style of music. This band director and parent-approved violin is the perfect instrument for student musicians, as well as a great addition to any musician's collection. Mendini by Cecilio's elegant, full-sized violin is designed for teen and adult players of all experience levels. Your violin includes free essentials to start your musical journey: 2 bows, an extra set of violin strings, quality rosin, and an adjustable shoulder rest with padding. It also includes a hard case fashioned with backpack and shoulder straps, lightweight for easy transport to and from class or gigs. We also provide an easy-to-read chromatic tuner so you can tune your violin from the classroom to the stage. Enjoy a high-quality instrument with a warm, vibrant tone that will last you for years to come.